if this bit isn't being abused, I don't know what is. This dog is so abused, it's pathetic. Look at this. Even while I'm talking, he's going to sleep. Jeez. Man's best friend. No. We're his best friend. Sometimes you really got to work hard to get some of this stuff done. These bolts are twice as long as they need to be, and they're rusty. I've soaked them for 2 days. They're star bits, so you have to keep it straight. I've got 3 out. 3 more to go. Just waiting on the weather to clear up a little bit so I can get back to work. Had some high winds this morning, downpours. I always protect my table with a tarp. As soon as it clears up a little bit, I'm going to head to Port Lavaca and pick up some more. I'm going to head to Port Lavaca and pick up some construction adhesive to finish that floor. I've already started putting some foam in. It's hard to see back there. Started putting foam in. Trying to figure out how I'm going to get the foam in the ceiling. The repairs I made up there on those 2 seams, dry as a bone, but I did find, with the wind blowing, rain almost horizontal this morning, which I knew there was a problem. That top seal on this back window, you could see that it was sort of twisted, so I'm trying to find a new seal for it. And I am going to change the second window right there, which is an emergency window. I'm going to put it right back here. Same on the other side, so that this window, that window, and the window on the other side can all be opened, and that surrounds the bed, so I can have quite a cross breeze. I'm being called by this thing, but can't ride today. Been tinting windows for the last few days. Cleaning them, they were filthy. This is just the final wash down with a mint-free rag. Go. I'll put the curing fluid on it. Go over and get the piece ready. I made the piece oversized since there wasn't really any scrap left. And it's nice with that fluid, you can pick it up and move it, get it where you want it. Hopefully it doesn't come down on your head. There we go. Make sure we got enough on top, bottom, sides. And then we little more fluid just to make it slippery. I'll get the center section down and then trim off the excess and start working the edges. That'll make 7 windows and 2 door panels done. And then I've got just the driver's door with a 50% and this big window over here with 50%, so I can see out of it easy, but keep some of this on. Basically all there is to it, except the trimming. Okay, I'll show you the finished product when I'm done.